Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. Today one of two things is going to happen. Either I'll pull some of the best epic players from this event, or Konami is going to troll me once again. I've been saving all of my treasure link rewards instead of opening them right away, and I've managed to collect a total of 23 free spins. The big question is, was it worth waiting, or should I have opened them from day one? Well, there's only one way to find out, so let's jump right into it. The player I'm hoping to get the most is Ferdinand. He's been at the top of my wish list ever since this event started, so let's see if today's finally the day. I've got 23 spins ready to go. Instead of opening them one by one, I think I'll start with a 10-player opening and see if we get lucky. Here we go. Let's spend 10 spins all at once. We have a defensive midfielder from Atletico Madrid. It's Koke, obviously not the player I was looking for, but it's still not a bad pull. I'll keep Coke and release everyone else since they don't really fit my squad. Now I'll switch to single spins for the remaining 13 attempts. Let's see if our luck improves. First single spin. A right back from Manchester. Mazraoui. Not someone I need, so we'll release him and move on. Second single spin. A goalkeeper. Seriously, Konami? Looks like the trolling has already started. We'll release him too and keep going. Third single spin. Wait, a center back? Don't tell me. Could it actually be Ferdinand? No way! It's Ferdinand! I can't believe it! The player I wanted the most appears on my third single spin. That's absolutely incredible. Ferdinand finally joins the squad. He's 1.92 meters tall, physically dominant, and exactly the defender I wanted. Huge thanks to Konami for this amazing pull because this was easily my #1 target from the event. Honestly, after getting Ferdinand, I'm already happy. Anything else from this point on is just a bonus. Of course, I'd still love to get Carles Puyol for my collection, or maybe John Collar since I already own his legendary version. Either of those would be a great addition. Let's keep opening the remaining spins. Another standard player? Nothing special here, so we'll release him. Even if I don't pull another epic, this opening has already been worth it because I got the player I really wanted. Ferdinand is going straight into my starting lineup. Right now I'm using Maldini alongside Varane, but Ferdinand is simply too good to leave on the bench. We still have 7 spins left. Let's see if we can get another epic before we finish. A player from Aston Villa, not someone I need, so he'll be released as well. At this stage, I'm only keeping players that can actually improve my team or fit very specific positions. That's why most of these standard cards are getting released. We're getting close to the end now. If I could choose another epic, I'd definitely like to get John Collar, Carles Puyol, or maybe Wesley Sneijder. Any of those would make this opening even better. Right back, Joao Cancelo, another release. Now we're down to the final 3 treasure link spins. By the way, if you're planning to open your own treasure link rewards, here's what worked for me. I started by opening 10 players at once, and then I switched to opening them one by one. That's exactly how I managed to pull Ferdinand. Of course, it's all based on luck, so there's no guarantee you'll get the same result. But if you want to try the same method, that's what worked for me. And that's going to be it for today's opening. We managed to pull an epic Ferdinand completely free, and I couldn't be happier with that result. He's definitely going to be a permanent starter in my team. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Shin Tech Tutorials for more eFootball content. In the next video, I'll show you the best training build for Ferdinand, how to maximize his overall rating, and which booster I recommend using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.